Good afternoon, YouTube. This is the LA Engineer, presently an engineering student. And today we're going to have a little bit of an unboxing ceremony. Now, it should become somewhat clear as I unbox this how this relates to engineering. We also have another box over here, which I'm going to probably do in a separate video. So, you may or may not be familiar with Monoprice. It is a website that offers some interesting deals on kind of a random assortment of audio and other technology related equipment. Go ahead and open this bad boy up. And let's take a look at how we are going to make a better America one thing at a time. Used to be to manufacture something, you either had to have a little workshop or maybe a factory, maybe some warehouse space, but thanks to technology in the future, that's all changing. It's all changing. Wow, getting all sorts of little... So it looks like we have some coupons here. Anybody want a razor? What else do we have? We have a wine voucher. I don't drink very much wine, but I suppose that's pretty cool. I have a blue apron coupon. That's awful thoughtful of them. Packing slip. All right, what do we have here? I'm going to keep it a mystery for the moment. Kind of heavy. Any guesses? I will give you 10 seconds to guess what this is related to manufacturing. All right, time's up. And we have here some 3D printing filament. I guess that kind of gives away the unboxing portion of the second part of this video. We got some 3D filament in green. Oh, you can't really tell, but that is green. It was on sale, so I had to get it. And this is PETG, not PLA. So the PETG is supposed to be a little bit more flexible. Yeah, you know, not the best for everything, but better for some products. I will cover in a future video whether or not I think the PETG, I like it more or less than the PLA. So now that we have that unboxed, I'll just go ahead and put that in there for now. Let's take a look at this guy. It's the big kahuna right here. The big kahuna. I'd like to remind you to be careful when opening boxes. Knives are sharp. You want to cut yourself. Also got to be careful not to cut too deep into it. Don't want to damage the goods. Nice and ginger here. Ooh, man, it's a box within a box. Oh my gosh. Oh man, I can't even. Oh, come on, baby. Here's the first problem that I've encountered on this channel is that I can't. Wasn't that just ridiculous? I just can't get any leverage. I hate to turn it upside down, but hopefully it'll survive. Wow, look at that. We have a box within a box. And to be honest, this kind of looks like the bottom. It almost looks like they shipped it to me upside down. Gosh, I wonder which way is up. Well, shoot. Let's take a wild guess and presume... Okay, there's a label on the box. Gosh, I wonder... I wonder if the label is on the bottom of the box or if they put the package in there, if they put the printer in here upside down. Oh man. Okay, now we're gonna go upside down again. Let's get this all on film here. Right. Okay. Let's take and I think we are actually upside down. So let's go ahead and get this right. Oh wow, this thing broke through the styrofoam. That's crazy. If you can see there, it got munched on the side a little bit. Hopefully that won't affect my print quality. Oh, let's try not to turn this over back and forth too many times. Take the little power supply out. Lay it on its side. And here we are. Holy frijoles. Heavy little bugger. Steel. Oh, lots of steel. So here we have it, YouTube. This, you are looking... Wow, this thing's... Oh, it is unbelievably heavy, but I like it. I like how well built it is. So here we have the Monoprice. I believe this is the Select Mini. Fairly certain it is. Yes, the Select Mini 3D Printer version 2. Pretty freaking cool. Holy crap, right? I don't know if you can tell by the sound of my voice, but this is... I've gotten a lot of stuff, you know, toys and motorcycles and, you know, windsurfing boats and, you know, planes. I've had a lot of toys and stuff through the years, but this thing right here, I am more excited about this printer than almost anything I've ever purchased or received in my entire life. Almost. There might be a car or a sandrail or a motorcycle that ranks up there, but this thing can make anything. Anything that fits in the envelope, but still. You know, if I need something a little bigger, I just print it in a couple pieces and, you know, kind of put it together, right? But now, why is a 3D printer make sense for an engineer trying to get a job? Well, that is a great question, and I'm going to answer it in an upcoming video, but I just wanted to share it with y'all. Share with y'all this recent purchase. Nice, very well packed. Got a power supply, some other stuff here. Got our little test. And of course I bought the filament because, you know, they're nice enough to give you some test filament, but, you know, it's only enough for a very small print, you know, so no big deal. The printer was a super deal on this printer. Even got $40 off on some shipping deal that I just had to, free shipping plus a $40 off coupon I just had to take advantage of because you never know when those kind of good bargains are going to kind of evaporate, right? But anyways, wow, right? Wow. And it takes up a little less footprint than I thought, which is good because I need to make another shelf on my computer desk for it. Man, I could just stare at this thing for like an hour. I could just sit here and stare at it and imagine the possibilities. Gosh, that's exciting. I got my masking tape too, because I know a lot of people kind of put the masking tape down on the print bed as a way to remove the prints, right? So there you have it, YouTube. We are now officially in the 21st century, and I have in my living room a machine that can print darn near anything out of whatever material, plastic, mostly plastic, that I put into it. I think that's pretty freaking cool. I think that is pretty freaking cool. Well, thanks for watching YouTube. Until next time, like, comment, subscribe, and keep engineering.